cannot use this button nowadays. Okay, if it's not reactive, then there's a problem. Hi everyone, today I will talk about buttons, the most important things for a website. And today I will show you some of the buttons, ideas, and how we can create cool buttons. And the reason I chose this topic is AI is not really good at creating buttons until you prompt it correctly. Without wasting any time, let's do it. This is the basic three things that I think you should follow. Doesn't matter you create buttons using AI or you create it from scratch. So the first one is the primary action buttons. So you can ignore these action things. It should be just primary buttons. Okay. So the primary button is basically the button that has the vibe of your website or telling the story. Okay, and everybody whenever see that button, they can know, okay, this button I saw it in linear, I saw it on Bursal. So this is Bursal buttons. So that's the primary buttons what I call. And the another one is button should be feel clickable, has motions. For the action buttons, you have to make sure whenever anyone click on the button, it could be delayed, it could be removed, they have to permit it again. Like we used to do it in GitHub when we try to delete the project. We used to do it on Bursal as well. I think these are three basic primary things to start with buttons or start creating button. Okay, so I will show you example. This one is like essential add-ons. So these all the buttons that you have to ignore. You cannot use this button nowadays. Okay, people really don't like it. I remember when, like back in I think 2021, we used to use Bootstrap, right? So we have this kind of buttons all over the page. So now you have to stop using all that. So let me show you another example. This from email. He talked about how we could create a button. The simple interaction you can do is like add scale 9.7, 0.97 or 0.98 scale on active pseudo classes with the 150 millisecond, and it looks really good. Did you see? And without transition, it also looks good. And we have more example. This one, it looks nice. Okay, if you add 1 pixel translate Y, feels very satisfying. It's all up to you, because the taste and the motions, it always depends on the user or the taste you have. So there's another person that I really like his work and everything, and this is the button I'm talking about, which is like when you click on delete, then it will wait. It's giving user a time. Are you really want to delete it or not? So this is really important when you have something like can delete the project, can delete the database. There's so many creative buttons you can find in Pinterest and also Dribbble. So in Dribbble, I saw some buttons. I think this one looks cool, and we have this. So it's all for inspiration, right? So if you go here, so this is basically right now trendy on Twitter. I saw it so many places. Okay, it has like fluid gradient behind the buttons, and it looks cool. Okay, so there's some places from where you can use or get buttons. Yeah, this one UI bars, and if you go there, you can see buttons. So many buttons it have. Okay, and it's all based on CSS. So if I just it has so many pages, and every button looks cool. This one you can use it in, and every button is free, right? So you can easily use it on your project. Oh, that looks cool. And if I go to another page, this one, it has to have some motions, like when I click, it's not clickable. So if you copy this button, you can adjust the clickable motions. It feel like whenever user click on the button, they will definitely feel like they're doing something, right? If it's not reactive, then there's a problem. That's it. I mean, like you can explore this one, and you can also explore. I have some buttons in UI layout. I don't know you like it or not, but it could be useful for you. Okay, so these all the buttons we have. So this is the hover, and it's clickable. Okay, this one, it looks nice. It has some following buttons. But yeah, so that's it. I hope you like the video, and so many inspiration posts and pages, and also some libraries I shows you. So just let me know which button you like most. See you in the next video. Bye bye.